Onye no ya o. Mazi Okeke, are you at home?
Hey, Udubeze. I hope all is well with this your visit.
It's well. You have nothing to be afraid. I only came here to deliver a message for your husband.
Let me go and call him. Nine.
Udubeze.
Mazi Okeke.
So, my wife said you want to see me.
I came here to deliver a message to you. The Igwe wants to see you.
Igwe?
Yes.
Wants to see me?
Yes.
What for?
I don't know, Mazi Okeke.
Okay. Go and tell him I will come to see him.
Okay, Mazi Okeke.
Nai. This one, the king, Igwe is looking for you. What for? I hope there's no problem.
Igwe did not tell me why Igwe wants to see me. But I will go. I will go to see him.
Nai, you have to be very careful. Please, I suggest you talk with one or two of your kinsmen about it, so that they can be aware of this.
Yes, I will see Ibezim and Mbadike before I go. But I will go. I'll go to see him.
Hey.
Don't worry, just go back to your work, huh? Go back to the work. I will.
I am worried. I'm worried about
Don't
this.
worry. Oza ade mo dike nibe.
If you ask me, I will advise you do not answer to this call.
I thought so before, but I changed my mind. You see, the boys in Okada and Nafa Jonjo. There is no way you can declare a word bad until it is heard. Who knows, maybe he has changed his mind or whatever. So let me go and find out why he's calling me.
Well, you are a wise man. And you know what it is we are fighting for.
Why not?
I will only suggest you be careful.
Now I will go. I will go to see him. I will let him play. Let him play while I sit back and watch. I'm not a child, but as far as I'm concerned, he's still a child. I will watch him play.
It is well.
It's okay.
It is well. I will expect your return. Do send someone to me once you're done.
I will do that. I will do that.
One.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Why are you planning evil against me? Why? You are just being selfish and greedy. Because I exercise my authority as the Igwe of this kingdom and reshuffle my cabinet on Ewegi. Now listen to me, you this useless man. If you are not careful with me, okay, I am going to crush you to an extent that none of your bones will be discovered. Nonsense!
Have you finished?
Do you have anything to say?
What do I have to say? Are you not the king? Yes! You are the king who has the powers, the right to deal with your subjects anyhow you like. And who has the powers, who has the right to challenge you or to ask you questions? Nobody.
Are you walking out on the throne?
I am going back to my house.
Okay, come back here. Okay. You are walking out on the paramount ruler of this kingdom. His Imperial Majesty. How dare you? Maudi Lonkizisi. King Kibekwe. Nankara land. Lekwaki lekwangu. Okay, lekwaki lekwangu. I am going to kill you. Nonsense. Useless man.
Igwe. As I was coming here, I saw Wazico walking out of the palace. His face was as frightening as the Abuja masquerade.
I dealt with that fool.
Yeah, you dealt with him?
Yes.
Good. Yes, at least they will now know that you are in serious business. In fact, that's not all. You have to change your strategies. In fact, anyone that offends this throne will be picked up immediately and incarcerated. Igwe, there should be no gathering anywhere in Nkara land. And if any people or any group of people hold that gathering without your approval, it must be termed illegal. Illegal.
You are right. Oh no, you are right. Any gathering in this kingdom, no matter how little it is, without my approval, is illegal. Go now and inform the town crier to spread the news across this kingdom. Immediately.
Consider it done.
Good.
In fact, it's already done.
Okeke is daring me. I am going to crush Okeke. Nonsense.
This way. You're always eating. Come on, Ton.
My husband,
And
did you hear the town crier's message this morning?
I did.
So what are you doing about it?
There is no way I intend to lose sleep over that. I will not lose sleep. He is just one man. And the people say that when a man cooks for the entire community, the community finishes the food and licks the plates. But when the same community cooks for one man, he can't even scratch the food. He is just one man and we're a community of people in Nkara. So don't worry about that.
Well, I only wanted to find out if you heard the town crier's voice.
I heard it. But don't worry about that. Just go and prepare my food. Go and prepare my food. Let the rains gather. We shall watch it fall.
My king, but that is not what we agreed.
I am now His Royal Majesty, the king of this kingdom.
And I am the wife of the king. I'm the queen of Nkara kingdom. A tree cannot make a forest.
Woman.
There is no way you can stand alone.
Woman, do not give me trouble.
Ibe, you're my husband, and I'm concerned about your well-being. There's no way you can rule alone. You need these people to rule well. That is not the issue.
That's enough. I won't have you try to steer me here. I know what I'm doing and I don't need your advice now.
The stubborn grasshopper rests in the belly of Okpoko, the bird.
If the grasshopper likes, let it rest in the belly of Apia the bird. I don't care. You may leave now.
When the animal makes a dangerous dash, a dangerous gunshot is aimed at it. They said there should be no meeting in Nkara kingdom. And that any gathering is illegal without the permission of the Igwe. No problem. We shall not gather, but we shall continue to hold our meeting.
Yes. After all, wisdom is a bag. As uche wakpa, onye obula mere gini, nyanke ya.
Good.
Therefore, I will say that from today, let no man or woman in Nkara, okorobia, agbobia, no keneme, let no one answer to the call of Igwe again. Let us see how he will come out and answer Igwe of Nkara.
Bam! Yes. That is a wise suggestion from Ichembadike. Every household should warn their people. Yes. Let him lead his wife and the entire household of Uzogo, the sycophant, the traitor.
Yes.
We shall meet again in the next 4 market days, just like this. For now, there should be no confrontation with him.
Okay.
No confrontation. But we shall isolate him.
Yes. Yes. But as a major, let me ask. Is it that we have forgotten the issue of the disappearance of Igwe Wanyima? Just like that?
No. How can we forget her just like that? Let's continue to search for her until we find her either dead or alive.
Good.
Let us dismiss for now.
Okay.
Let's end this meeting before people fathom that something is going wrong.
Let us see.
That is it, Igwe. We must not let them beat us. We must not give them the opportunity to take you unaware.
So what do we do now?
Igwe, we must beef up our security to protect this palace from any insurgents from our enemies. Igwe, we need to recruit more able-bodied men as your secret guards.
Izogo.
Igwe.
Onowu Izogo.
Igwe.
My second in command. I never knew you were this intelligent and full of wisdom.
Igwe, if you follow my instructions, you will never play into the hands of the enemies.
You are right. And in that case, Onowu, you have to, in fact, we have to recruit more able-bodied men and add to our workforce. And I give you 2 days to do that.
Consider it done, Igwe.
Good.
One more thing. I believe that I also need security guards in my house. Because nobody knows what these our enemies are always thinking. They might want to eliminate me so that they can get at you. They will make you vulnerable.
Oh no,
Igwe.
I understand your point, and you can attach some to yourself.
Thank you, Igwe.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Igwe. There's another thing. One little thing. Igwe, I suggest we apply the strategy of intimidation. Yes, intimidation against our enemies. They should be arrested and taken away in order to destabilize them.
Oh no, that one is true. But we have to recruit the able-bodied men first. Then we can use them and do the intimidation.
Thank you, Igwe. As I suggested, these secret guides will be employed to work incognito and unknown to the Nkara people. As this will make them more effective.
Oh no,
Igwe.
I agree with you. Remember, 2 days to carry out this particular assignment.
It is done already.
Good.
It is already done.
You can leave.
Igwe.
Wazico, are we going to leave the cases of a wine man and it go just like that? Ibesim, are you the one saying this? How can we leave any of those cases? We can't. Listen, we'll continue until we get what we want. Good. Huh?
Wazico. Ibesim.
Yes.
Are both of you not aware of the decree of the king that there should be no gathering anywhere in Karaland without his approval? Are you not aware? Or do you want to defy the king's order?
Izogo or Izumba? I am in my compound. Oh, does this place look to you like a village square? I wonder. Now, if your king decrees that there should be no gathering, did he also decree that kinsmen should not exchange visits? No, I'm asking you.
Okay. I thought you should be wiser than this. Yes. You should have known that gathering is gathering. Whether it is 2 people or 3 or even 10, gathering is gathering. And that you should not gather anywhere in the land without the approval of the king, our Royal Majesty.
Keep quiet. Charlatan. Sycophant. Look, you will surely reap what you're sowing in the land of Ankara Kingdom. If you're not careful, I will teach you what the fire does to the ears of the rabbit. Yes.
Ibezim.
Yes.
Ibezim.
Yes.
Ibezim.
Yes.
Do you realize you are talking to Sogeze One, the Onowu of Garan?
What did you just call yourself? A butterfly thinks itself a bird. Look at you. You swap for authority. Now listen, if you don't get out of my compound now, I will show you how black ghosts like you are treated. Wait for me. Wait for me.
I know what to do.
No.
I know what to do.
Wait.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Coward. Frustrated. Where is he? No, come back here. I'm over here. Come back, let me shoot holes into that your coconut head. Now, useless coconut head. What the base? More the base. Nonsense. Don't worry. I am waiting for you and your useless is here. Your useless is there. I am waiting for you. It's okay. Chai.
What is Ankara turning into? What is our land turning into? Alibe, when have our men, the men of Ankara, when have we become like mere cocoyam leaves? When? Hey!
A man dies only once. This is the limit. We will not allow them to treat us like women.
Hey.
Never. We must do something now. First it was Awigwe. Now Wazico. Where are we running to?
Ankara! Bring back my husband. Bring him back.
Hey! Iwatani Gunishi. Alibe. Ndị be anyị si ya arụ na-agba gị mgba n'ụzọ azụ ụlọ onwekwa mmechi. If there is no wrestle on the road to the back house, it shall not close. Alibe, it is time for us to rise. It is time for us to rouse our people, the men of Ankara, to fight like real men, not like mere sissies. This is the time to change the story. Yes.
He's the only one I have. Please tell his Loko and Ibekwe to bring him back. He must be brought back.
Our wife, take heart, your husband shall return. Because I shall fight. I will fight like a man. I will fight like a lion. Alibe, are you ready to fight?
Of course.
Yes, we must fight. And listen, we will not allow them to bring the fight to us. We are real men. We will take the fight to them. Alibe, we will take the fight to them. Hey! Bah! I will fight! I will fight like a man! Enough is enough!
Enough is enough.
We will be back.
What happens to Ichio Keke?
What kind of query is that?
You heard me. Why have you allowed yourself to be pushed into these wicked acts against your own people? Have you ever heard of a king without subjects? Because that is where you're headed. The ear that refuses to listen to the sound counsels follows the chopped head to the grave.
Hey, woman. I have endured you enough. I am the king of this kingdom and you are only my wife.
Yes, I am not disputing that fact.
And you have no right to question my actions.
As your subject, yes. But as your wife, I have every right. I'm only looking out for you. I'm trying to know whether you would wake up from this dream.
And I do not need your wakefulness. Allow me to dream. After all, I once lost my sleep in this kingdom.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It's only a foolish man that sees fire and pokes his fingers into it.
You called me a foolish man. You called me a foolish man. You are stupid. Standing on my ferry before, in front of my throne, call me a foolish man. You are stupid. Nonsense.
Ibekwe. You raised your hands on me? You raised your hands on me?
This rabbit so hard. Huh? How could it have escaped? Okay. This is the blood. Yes. That is the hole. That is the hole. I said it. You can run as fast as your leg can carry you. Now you are at my presence now. What could this be? What could be inside this calabash? This looks like a pot of riches. It could be cowries. Or has my chi decided to bless me with a calabash of riches instead of rabbits? I will not stop thanking you, my G.
Mapade Boawo. The monkey and the gorilla may claim oneness, but the monkey is monkey and gorilla.
Did you understand?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now go and deliver the message.
Evil has taken place.
Your Majesty, Your Majesty, Your Majesty.
Oh, no. What is it? And why are you panting like a man that has seen a ghost?
Your Majesty, it is Ipo. Ipo the medicine man. The one you told me gave you powers from a distant land.
Oh, no.
Your Majesty.
Are you sure that you saw Igbo? And could he be coming to this palace?
Yes, I saw it with my eyes. Your Majesty, I don't know if he's coming to this palace, but I think so.
You saw him with your 2 eyes?
I saw him with my 2 eyes, and he is exactly how you described him to me.
Oh, no.
Your Majesty.
You saw him walking with his 2 legs.
You are talking as I saw him walking with his 2 legs, not his head, not his hands.
I see.
Oh,
no.
Your Majesty.
I want to be left alone.
I hope there's no problem.
I said I want to be left alone so that I can think. Leave.
It's all right. Yes, Your Majesty.
Hey, get out of here. So, Igbo escaped out of that calabash. This one is still here. I thought they said you are tough. Who is now tougher? You will remain here. Guards! Guards!
An old woman who remembers her dead child at the sight of me. Let what happened to her child happen to her. I am Igbo, the great Dibia. I know when to send the gods, and they go and come back. I know where to touch the gods. They dance in anger. Ibekwe, you have touched Igbo. I chew and spat on your chest. But for you, you chew and spat in my eyes. The head that tells behave will always receive the pain of the stings. Ibekwe, you beat me on the head without minding the hair. I, Igbo, will bite you in the anus without minding the excrement.
Are you okay? What's happened? Please, calm down.
Beautiful lady, I want to marry you.
Calm down.
Listen, I want to make you my wife.
Calm down.
Have you agreed?
Calm down.
This is my brother. He is going to accompany me to go and marry you.
My king.
Say yes to me. Can't you just say, I want to marry you?
My king.
My brother, look at the woman I want to marry here. I just accompany me. Let me go. I want to go and marry her.
My forefathers have got it.
See, I want to marry you. I want to marry you. They are taking me to go and marry my wife.
Side, please.
We are going to go and marry. Where is my wife?
Your Majesty, This one you're pressing up and not like this. I hope all is well. Where are your guards?
The worst has happened.
What happened?
My husband, the king, has gone mad.
Hi! May the gods of our land forbid.
My husband is mad.
Ha! Where is he?
Come with me.
Obim! Obi, dear! Where is this woman? Obi, dear.
Hey! Awa!
No, you're alive. No, very good.
Hey! Hey! Gods of our land! I thank you! Nkara! My husband is back. You're back. Hey,
Benz. Obi, dear, you have been crying.
Nai, why wouldn't I cry?
Don't worry.
Why wouldn't I cry? Hey!
I am here.
Hey, then the guys. Nai, come. I will prepare your meal. Delicious meal for you. After that, you take your bath and rest.
I will also need some hot water massage.
Nai, I will do that. Hey! Nai, sorry. Hey!
Hi! The gods of Nkaraland! Who did this to us? Who did this to our Igwe? Your Majesty, what is this? What is this?
Are you mad?
Huh?
I'm asking you, are you mad? Why can't you hit your head on the ground and greet your king? Hit your head on the ground. Hit it on the ground.
Your Majesty, may your days be long.
Good. And may yours be very, very short.
Will you stop this joke?
Uh-huh.
What days are you talking about?
Ask him.
My husband is raving mad, and you are talking about days being long.
Yes.
Lord,
Tell her.
please, calm down.
Uh-huh.
Calm down, please.
Calm down.
Please, calm down.
Tell me to calm down. You are responsible, Ichie. You are responsible for what is happening to my
Tell
husband.
him.
What have I done? How did I contribute to this problem? Okay,
You are good.
This is not the time for this blame game. Please, let's find a solution to this problem.
See, listen to me. I am having meeting with the immortal. What are you mortals doing here? What are you people doing here?
I'm blaming you because your bad advice led to this.
Yes, tell him.
No. Your Majesty, let's stop this blame game. Let's find a solution to this problem.
Yes. Hey, listen. The meeting of mortals is finished. You immortals can now live here.
I cannot
Leave.
Please.
Immortals, leave.
Please.
Yes, please. Please.
Hi.
Hey.
The he-goat that must sprout horns must be ready to have strong neck. A man who decides to chase an innocent chick to kill it must be ready to soil his hands with dust. Ibekwe. What a man sows, he must reap. I was in my house. You came to meet me. Now you have decided, Ibekwe, to harm me. What a man knows follows him. See? The man from Nkara land, what do you want?
Ikpode Igwe is gone beside himself. I have come to see you about him.
There is nothing I can do about him. The man who gathers ant-infested firewood invites lizard to a feast.
Igbo, you must do something. You must do something. We cannot live with the shame of having a Mandigo and losing our throne.
The man from Nkara land, return to your land.
I am the Onowu of my kingdom. Therefore, by the powers bestowed on me, I command you to commune with the gods and undo the thing you did to our Igwe.
And I will do no such thing.
If you do not undo what you did, I will show you the other ugly side of me. What is wrong with you?
Oh, you have come here to threaten me. I will give you a little thing for you to go home with.
Igbo, there's nothing you can do to me. I am the Onowu of my land. The gods have fortified me. You cannot do me anything. You cannot do me anything.
The man from Nkara land. Now, go home. Go home, scratching your body.
Scratching what you can?
Leave my presence.
Igbo,
I want you.
What did you do? Igbo?
My kinsman, it is said that an injury against a brother is only skin deep. It does not get to the bone. A spit against a brother is not sent upwards. Otherwise, it falls right back onto one's face. Nkara is in a very serious situation. And I believe the gods are angry with us.
Ichiokeke, why? What have we done that the gods should be angry against us? The man who does evil should bear the consequences of what he did. Yes.
Not so, my kinsman. Not so. Very soon, other neighboring kingdoms will begin to mock us as a kingdom without leaders. First, Igwe Wanyema got missing. And then Igwe Ibekwe became mad. These are very serious matters, are they not?
Yes, it's a serious matter. It means something has gone wrong in the Nkara kingdom.
Good.
And we need to appease the gods. Lolo, is there something you need to say to us?
My husband, though he was selfish and stubborn, was because of a lot of things. Though I don't want to go into all of that. I never supported him. Instead, I stood against him because of how he treated the people of Nkara. But Wanyema and Ibekwe were first of all of Nkara before they became Igwe. It was the wrong counsel from Izuogu that misled my husband.
I heard that Uzogu is itching all over his body.
Why?
He insulted a powerful medicine man, and the man dealt with him. Who says a man will not reap what he sows?
Well, my kinsmen, we have to do something about Igwe Ibekwe, and we have to do that very quickly. Lolo, could you please take us to where he is so that we can at least see him and know how he's faring?
Hey! Lord Igwe! Hey! Hey! Yeah! man finished, oh. Hey. Yeah.
What happened to him? What happened to you?
Hey, it is Igbo. It is Igbo, the mercy man from faraway land. That curse fell on me, oh.
Igbo?
Igbo.
What did you do to him?
Nothing. Nothing, no. No,
You lie. Igbo cannot cast a spell on you without you doing anything to him.
Oh, all right. I went to seek help for our Igwe. But when he was not forthcoming, I spoke to him wrongly. I insulted him. So he cast spell on me.
You see? You see what I've been trying to tell you? Change your evil ways, but you wouldn't listen. You kept giving my husband the wrong counsel. Look at where it has landed you. Look at where it has landed him. I don't have time for this. Go back to where you're coming from and go sort yourself out. As you can see, I am taking care of my sick husband. So please, go sort yourself out.
What do I do? What do I do? Go back to Igbo. Igbo. Hi. I think it is better to go.
Adjo, I'll be back. Let me go and get drink and some other things. The gods forbid you.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for insulting you. Please, forgive me. Please, remove this curse from me.
This stupid termite must always fall for the patient toad. So you are this humble. You are this humble.
Please, Igbo, I'm at your mercy. Please forgive me. I'm sorry for misleading Igwe Ibekwe and setting him up against his people. Please forgive me.
Tell the people of Ankara what you have just said. A man who breaks the yam standing will stoop to bring the remaining.
I will do anything you ask me to do. I'll do anything you ask me to do. Please, help me. Help me. Hey!
Adjo.
Hey, Igbo, I'm grateful.
You will have to do exactly what you said. Failure to do that, I will return the inching upon you and your entire household.
No, I will not do it again.
You may not leave.
Chai. Hey.
Ajụ na-adegbu nwa mmadụ egbu o. Ajụ na-adegbu nwa mmadụ egbu a. Ajụ na-adegbu nwa mmadụ egbu o. Ajụ na-adegbu nwa mmadụ egbu o.
My people, it is true that Ankara has undergone so much troubles recently. Hey. But we are not going to rest on our oars until we find Igwe Wanyima. And of course, we also have to do something about Igwe Ibekwe.
Ichi okeke. Brakwa woge ngo. Where are you? Boye Balulu. Which one is find Ibekwe? What is that? Is it not this same Ibekwe? The Ibekwe that has continuously been making a fool out of all of us?
Exactly.
Was it not the same Ibekwe who removed you from your elevated position as number 2, second in command? Oh no, who of this great kingdom? That same Ibekwe. And you're not telling me we thought it.
Mbadike has just spoken my mind. I support him.
Let's look for a better person.
Mbadike, indeed you have spoken well. Iche, okay. Let Ibekwe take care of himself.
Period.
My kinsman, let me crave your indulgence here. You see, a man, an elder, especially a titled man, does not sit down at home and watch the goat give birth with a rope around his neck. With my position and my age, I know so much about tradition and culture. And I tell you that as long as Ibekwe is alive, he remains the Igwe of Ankara. Eh? Yes! That is it. So, how are we going to look happily at our neighbors when we hear them call us people with a mad Igwe, people whose Igwe is mad? And Igwe fan and we'll be happy and we'll watch them and no, it's not like that.
We can choose another Igwe.
Yeah.
After all, our king, Ibekwe, is now a madman.
Oh.
Things are not done that way.
No!
I am telling you, according to tradition and culture, according to the customs in Igbo land, things are not done that way. You don't do it that way.
Yeah?
No.
Izogo! Ha! Izogo nyukwu ngatanga!
My kinsman.
What do you want from us? What do you want?
My kinsmen, I come in peace. Please, can I sit down, please?
What do you want from us? Izogo!
Speak.
Let me sit first. I will tell you everything. Let me sit first. Thank you. Thank you very much. Like I said before, I have not come to fight. On the contrary, I have come to apologize for contributing immensely to the sufferings of most of you and for misleading Igwe Ibekwe through my unhealthy counsels to him. Please. My knees are on the ground. Please, forgive me. Forgive me, please. Please. I am sorry. Please.
Well, my kinsman, when a man commits an error, realizes his mistakes and retraces his steps, coming to beg for forgiveness, I think he should be forgiven.
Okay. If we are not yet still very early in the day, one would have easily concluded that you must have taken a little bit too much to drink. Yes, because I do not understand how you'll be talking this way. You are looking at Izuogo agada.
Traitor.
You are looking at him. You are looking at his face. You are listening to his cock and bull story, watching his crocodile tears.
This traitor.
And you think Izuogo, like you called him, Onya agada. One leg this side, one leg this other side. You think he means well.
Izuogo.
I can tell you for sure that this man here has only come to sample our opinions so that he can hereafter use them against us.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You are right.
That's not so. I'm really very sorry for thinking that I could go without your people. Please, I now know better. In fact, I now understand that the strength of every leader lies in his subjects. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
That's why I say we should forgive him. After all, in Ankara, we know who is who. We know everybody. Yeah? Let us give him that benefit of doubt. Let's give him a second chance.
Ichie okeke. If you say so, okay, who am I? But I have something to say. Ichie Mbadike. The only way I will agree to accept this man back into our fold is if he will go out there and procure a cure, a madness healing, plaguing Ibekwe, the very person he himself deceived into this particular predicament.
Bam.
And of course, both of you will still have to find answers to the lingering questions regarding the disappearance of Igwe Wanyema.
Bam. You said it all.
Hey! Amen. Ibekwe Okisije. Oh!
Hey. So what do we do now?
We know how to bury an Igwe. So the arrangement begins now. What is it? Zog, what is it?
My fellow elders, I have something to say. Yes, I have something to say so that my healing will be complete, please.
Say it, speak.
Thank the gods, I found this calabash. I have been looking for it all over the place. But I was able to find it under the throne.
What has the calabash got to do with us?
Hey! What? My king!
Thou shalt not turn around to behold this evil, the carcass of this rebel.
My king, please, do not turn around.
So, you have been the one behind the calamities we have through all this way?
No, it's not me. Hey, it was Letigwe. Yes, he confided in me that he put Wanyema inside this calabash.
Hey. And you kept it to yourself all this while?
I was on oath. I couldn't tell anyone until Igbo, the powerful medicine man, instructed me to tell the others. So that our land will be restored and my healing complete.
So what are we going to do now?
What else do we do if not to take our beloved Igwe back to the palace and get the people so that we can represent her and she takes back what belongs to her rightfully?
Yes. What about the corpse?
What else if not to throw this corpse into the evil forest? Yes.
Good.
We have to get the use to dispose of it accordingly.
Exactly.
Let us take Igwe back to the palace. Igwe.
Igwe. I'm your subject. Igwe, you rule forever.
Hey. Alive. Run. Engage the town crier. Tell him, let everybody gather at the palace immediately. Igwe is back. Igwe is back.
Yes.
Run. Igwe is back. Igwe is back. Igwe is back.
If If I put the obodo no. Troublemaker. He won the crown. By all means. We are your boy. He won the crown. If you want peace to reign, we are your boy. If you want peace to reign, he won the crown. On his head. Chai, Ibekwe, take it easy, you know go. Ibekwe one nema. The throne is yours. You are born to rule. Mana walu kwaya wayodo. Okoleru yeru wala hogoda. Ikukubia. If I follow walu, I must be the king. Echiro piwe achi obodo. Ibekwe nwanne m Ibekwe amụgide nwa amụta ofu n'ụwa amụta Troublemaker Ibekwe ọ na-azọrọ ite ndị ichie unamakwa na nke a bịara ụwa do amụta Troublemaker Ibekwe ọ na-azọrọ ite ọkwa amụgide nwa amụta nsogbu n'obodo amụta Troublemaker Ibekwe ife abụkwa ọkpụkpụ dị obodo n'ọnụ amụta Troublemaker he won the crown by all means.